Welcome to QwikCareMD Urgent Care and Comfort Care Family Practice. You may not know that right here at QwikCareMD Urgent Care is your Comfort Care Family Practice, dedicated to providing your family with personal medical care. Our Comfort Care Family Practice, dedicated health professionals are here to help you and your family achieve the best health possible. If you are new to Colorado Springs or you're looking for a new family physician, we can help. At Comfort Care Family Practice and QwikCareMD Urgent Care, we offer the best family care possible. We accept most insurance plans that include Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, Blue Cross, and Blue Shield, as well as many others. Just ask, and we'll tell you all the insurance plans we accept at Comfort Care Family Practice and QwikCareMD Urgent Care. We will work with you and your insurance provider to meet your healthcare needs, making your next visit and your insurance paperwork quick and easy. Before leaving today, ask us about Comfort Care Family Practice, located right here at QwikCareMD Urgent Care. Maintaining your health is important. At Comfort Care Family Practice, we provide affordable, quality medical care without you having to wait hours in an emergency room.
Looks like a quick care moment. Accidents happen. When it happens to a loved one, you want medical care quick. At QwikCareMD, we are dedicated to providing patients with affordable urgent medical care without an appointment. Spend hours in the emergency room or minutes at QwikCareMD. When flu, colds, aches, pains, and accidents happen, get better quick. Call QwikCareMD because you care.
Visit and like QwikCareMD Urgent Care and Comfort Care Family Practice on Facebook and receive weekly healthcare tips and updated health trends to help you live a healthier and better life.
Looks like a quick care moment. Accidents happen. When it happens to a loved one, you want medical care quick. At QwikCareMD, we are dedicated to providing patients with affordable urgent medical care without an appointment. Spend hours in the emergency room or minutes at QwikCareMD. When flu, colds, aches, pains, and accidents happen, get better quick. Call QwikCareMD because you care.
Make sure and tune in to QwikCareMD Urgent Care and Comfort Care Family Practice, Dr. Steve's monthly appearance on Fox 21's Foxy Moms Wellness Wednesdays with Fox 21 morning show host Kimberly Price.
Time for today's Foxy Moms Wellness segment. We're talking about the flu and how you can protect yourself. Dr. Stephen Wenrick is here from QwikCareMD. Good morning, Dr. Steve.
Good morning, Kimberly.
You're going to be on once a month giving us health advice that we can all use to stay healthy, our entire family. But people may, I've probably seen QwikCareMD at Stetson Hills and Powers. Tell us what you are and what you do.
We've been here for almost 3 years. It'll be 3 years in May. We have an urgent care and we have a family practice, both operating out of the Quick Care building. And we're opening up a second one in Fountain on, I don't even remember the name of the road, but it's
coming up in a couple months, right?
Yes, it'll be opening early April, and it's across the street from Lowe's.
Okay, so easy to find. Well, we're glad to have you part of our Foxy Moms Wellness segments. Let's talk about the flu, because a lot of people think when they're getting sick, it's just a bad cold, but it's not, right? It's much more than that.
There's a big difference between a cold and the flu. Flu is actually a specific viral disease, and it can be deadly. In the 1918 flu epidemic, for example, 5% of the world's population, or 100 million people, died.
Wow. So it can go from being something very, very simple and not very severe to being fatal. So that's something people really need to think about.
Absolutely.
What are the symptoms of the flu?
Pretty much what you would expect. You get very achy, typically a high fever, upper respiratory symptoms like sniffles, cold, runny nose, and very weak.
How do you get it?
From somebody else who got it.
Right. Can you get it from like drinking out of a glass or something like that?
Very unlikely.
Okay.
Mostly it's an aerosol, which means that if somebody sneezes, they put 200 million influenza virus particles in the air, and you pick them up.
Oh, great. So they're just out there ready to get you.
They are.
All right, so that's why we have to talk about prevention. We have a graphic to put up, and we know the flu shot is or there's the nasal sprays now, too, as you just don't have to get pricked with the needle. But there are different ways to try to prevent getting sick. First of all is the vaccine. Who's at most risk? Who should definitely get the vaccine?
People over 65 and young children. Plus anybody who's immunocompromised, like an HIV patient or a patient on chemo, anybody who has any underlying medical problems like diabetes, heart disease, things like that.
And then there are simple things that, you know, we should do anyway, like good hand washing.
Hand washing's great.
Is that something you need to do how many times a day? I mean, just before you eat, or, you know,
Well, before you see a patient.
Well, that's important too, yeah. And also, you just want to stay away from people who are sick, right?
Absolutely. Stay away from enclosed places. You know, you're going to catch this in an ER waiting room. You're going to catch this in an airplane. You're going to catch this in a classroom. Any enclosed space that has people who may be sick.
All right, and I know right now you are offering pretty low cost flu shots right now at QwikCareMD, correct?
We are.
What do you offer? They're $14.99, something like that?
$14.99.
Do you need an appointment?
Nope. Well, we're walk-in. We are 8 to 8 Monday through Friday and 8 to 6 on weekends.
All right, well, here is your website. It's QwikCareMD, QwikCareMD. CareMD.com. Check it out. Dr. Steve will be here once a month with some great advice, and we want to welcome you to our Foxy Moms family. We'll see you next time. Thanks, Dr. Steve.
Bye-bye.